Welcome again, guys, to Kelezali Stabza Studying Duet. Guys, what we can come along in this income statement is that we are going to have what you call losses when it comes to our trading stock. Some of those losses will occur because of theft, will also occur because of fire. So in this case, we have an adjustment whereby it says, information C, the following items were stolen in February, which is what trading stock tells for how much? 56,000. Then we found out that we lost trading stock that is worth 56,000. Also, we lost consumables in which they worth 2,500. And then it says ABI Insures has agreed to pay out 90% of the loss, but this has not yet been recorded, meaning we need to record this. Then guys, because of ABI only agreed to insure 90% of what we lost, then we are going to have to cover only 10% of the trading stock that has been stolen, and also the consumable stores that have been stolen. So since they managed to cover 90%, we are going to look for the loss. We are going to say 56,000 multiplied by 10 over 100, and then the amount that is not covered by the insurance is 5,600. Then under our operating expenses, because of it's an expense, we are going to write loss due to theft, and then as how much? 5,600. And then we're going to go for consumables, going to say 2,500 multiplied by the 10% that we lost due to to theft, and then equals to 250. And then we are going to take our 250 plus it under our loss due to theft, and then we are going to add these two, and then our final answer in our income statement, it will be 5,600 plus 250, it will be 5,850. So guys, stay tuned and follow for more transactions. Bang! Welcome guys again to Kelazali Stabza, still working with the income statement for the year ended 2021. Let's take a look at trading stock, deficit, as well also consumables. So guys, for trading stock deficit is the loss of stock that we have as a business. That's why we say it's trading stock deficit. It will be recorded under what you call under your operating expenses, and then if ever you have trading stock surplus, then it will be recorded under your operating incomes. Trading stock deficit, and also consumables stocks. So cousin, let's take a look at information F, adjustment and additional informations. Information F, a physical stock count at the end of the year reflects the following on hand at the price: trading stock 570,000, consumable stores 18,000. So guys, let's go to our trial balance and look for our opening balance for trading stock. We are going to go to our trial balance. Under balance sheet sections, we have trading stock. Our trading stock opening balance is 667,000. And then guys, our consumables 132,500. And then guys, do you still remember that we had a transaction whereby we spoke about whereby a debtor returned detective tax at the cost price of 13,000. Then our trading stock will be added with what? 13,000, because of whenever we sell, the stock is going out of the business, but whenever the debtor returns trading stock back to our business, our trading stock will be what? Will increase. That's why we say plus 13,000. And then guys, we have a transaction whereby we lost 10% of our trading stock due to what? Due to theft, which is what? 10%. And then that amount will be what? Subtracted 5,600. And then because of, they said, let's go to information C. It says ABI ensures that has agreed to pay out 90% of the loss, but this has not yet been received. Even 90% was not yet been what? Been received. And then we are going to calculate. Going to say 56,000 for our trading stock, multiplied by 90% that we are expected to get, divided by 100, and then we are expecting to get 50,400, but it has what? Not yet been recorded. Then it's minus 50,400. And then also for consumables, we lost 250 as our 10%. And then we are expecting to get 90%. 2,500 multiplied by 90% over 100. We are expecting to get 2,250, but not yet have been what? Have been received. And then guys, we can go to information D. It says, on closer inspection of the stock, it was discovered that tiles costing 49,000 were damaged. These tiles were returned to Imported Tiles Ltd, but no entry has been made. So guys, we decided to return back the tiles that costing 49,000 because of they were damaged, and then we need to subtract those damaged tiles of how much? 49,000. And also going back to our information F, whereby we are given the balance on hand. Most of the time we need to subtract balance on what? On hand, which is for trading stock 570,000. And then whenever we add 667,000 plus 13,000 minus 5,600 minus 50,400 minus 49,000 minus 570, we are getting 5,000 as our final amount to what? To our income statement. And then consumable stores, we are going to minus the balance on hand, which is how much? 18,000. And then 132,500 subtract 250, subtract 2,250, subtract 18,000, then it's how much? It's 112,000. So guys, whenever you come to this kind of transactions, you need to be familiar. You need to have your opening balance for trading stock, and then if ever there was a debtor returning back goods and services, and then you're going to add them. And then if ever there was losses due to fire or theft, then you are going to subtract those losses. And then if ever those losses were recovered, then we were going to to do, if the money was received, we were going to to add that 50,400, and then 50,400, and then we returned tiles costing 49,000, and then we are going to subtract our our amount at the end. Most of the time, whenever you do this, if ever you are looking for part marks, make sure you have your opening, subtracting it by your closing. There's a possibility of you getting a part mark. Also for consumable stores, if ever there were consumable stores lost due to theft, then you need to subtract those consumables in which they are not covered by the insurance. And then if ever we got that 90%, it was going to be a positive sign, plus 2,250, and then subtract our consumables on hand, and then we add everything, and then our amount will be recorded under your income statement, under operating expenses. And if ever you have any questions, do not mind. Make sure you email me and then you comment under comment section so that I can explain further. Okay. Bang.